Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best learning toys is probably one of the most important investments you can make in your child's future, offering a fun and engaging way for them to develop crucial cognitive, social, and emotional skills that will serve them throughout their lives. And with so many options available, finding the perfect toy that balances educational value with pure enjoyment can feel like a daunting task. But rest assured, we're here to guide you through the exciting world of toys designed to spark curiosity and foster a lifelong love of learning in your 5-year-old. Number 5. VTech Write and Learn Creative Center. Give your little one a head start on language skills with this educational magnetic drawing board. It's perfect for kids to practice writing and drawing, making learning fun. Watch as animated demonstrations guide your child through proper stroke order for both uppercase and lowercase letters. They can easily follow along and learn interactively. This customizable toddler drawing tablet lets your child make it their own by adding their name. It then teaches them how to trace it step by step, making learning personal. Children can learn to draw a variety of lines and shapes, progressing through 26 different options. This offers a wide range of creative possibilities not found in other drawing toys. This kid's drawing board comes with a stylus for drawing and writing, plus batteries for demo use. It's designed for children aged 3 to 6 years old. What we like? If you are looking for a toy that helps your child get a head start on literacy skills, this is it. It offers interactive demonstrations for letter stroke order and even allows customization with your child's name. If you want a fun way to introduce writing and drawing while tracking learning progress, you should consider this. What people say. The magnets and pen work well. The best part is the writing games to form letters and shapes. This makes it much more interactive with a learning component. It erases very clean, also the writing is not blurry. It's a nice product and I want to buy it again. Number 4. Educational Insights GeoSafari Kidnoculars. Introducing Kidnoculars, the sturdy and portable binoculars designed just for toddlers. They're perfect for sparking a sense of adventure and a love for exploration. Encourage screen-free outdoor adventures with these binoculars. Use them for bird watching in the backyard, at the park, or even for stargazing while camping. These binoculars feature an extra-large eyepiece with 2x magnification and a breakaway neck strap. This ensures safe, easy carrying and frustration-free focusing for children. These nature toys help children develop an early interest in various scientific fields. It's a great way to introduce them to geology, astronomy, and more. Looking for a great gift? These outdoor exploration toys make fun birthday presents, holiday stocking stuffers, or Easter basket surprises that encourage kids to get outside. Explore a wide range of camping toys, nature exploration toys, and engaging science toys from Educational Insights. Find the perfect discovery toys for young explorers. What we like? If your child loves exploring the outdoors and has a curious mind, these binoculars are a fantastic choice. They are designed for little hands, encourage screen-free adventures, and can spark an early interest in nature and science. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use toy for bird watching or stargazing, you should consider this. What people say. These are super kid-friendly, have a great design making them easy for kids to use. They are plastic but the thicker or durable kind of plastic. The vibrant, playful colors are beautifully designed and instantly caught my little one's attention. They're lightweight and easy for small hands to hold, making them perfect for curious explorers. They're lightweight, easy to use, and the perfect size for small hands. My child loved using them for outdoor play, nature walks, and pretend adventures. They're durable enough to handle drops and still work great. Number 3. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Discover over 100 exciting science experiments and activities designed for curious young minds. This kit is packed with fun, hands-on learning opportunities. Dive into amazing projects like growing your own crystals, building an erupting volcano, and exploring geological wonders. It's a complete earth science adventure. With enough activities for everyone, this kit is perfect for sharing with friends, family, or classmates. Experience the joy of scientific discovery together. Our detailed learning guide explains the science behind each experiment. It helps children develop a lasting appreciation for earth sciences in a fun and engaging way. Clear, step-by-step instructions make experiments a breeze. Kids can confidently explore and enjoy the thrill of discovery without any hassle. We are committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, ensuring a stellar learning experience. What we like. If you have a child who is fascinated by how the world works, this massive science kit is perfect. It offers a wide variety of hands-on experiments, from growing crystals to building an erupting volcano, with clear instructions. If you want to foster a deep appreciation for earth sciences and enjoy shared discovery, you should consider this. What people say. All the items in the kit were excellent and great quality. I also have to mention that the play sand is the absolute best we have ever played with. The texture is soft and it molds well. I saw some reviewers were not happy with the pink sand in the kit and also weren't too happy with the magnetic putty. The pink sand and the magnetic putty we received was great. The sand was incredibly soft. The magnetic putty was a little stiff, but its putty so kind of expected. However, after playing with it a bit it softens up. I was surprised that a really cool educational booklet came with the set and we learned some really cool facts about non-Newtonian fluid and also learned about how putty came into existence. It was very surprising. Number 2. FLASHDASH Flashing Cube Electronic Memory Game. Introducing the FLASHDASH Flashing Cube, a fun electronic memory game designed to enhance your child's hand-eye coordination, reaction time, and memory skills. It's compact and perfect for on-the-go fun. Test your reflexes with exciting modes like chase and catch me. You'll need to press the red lights quickly, dodge the green ones, and grab the blue ones. It's a thrilling test of speed, focus, and accuracy. Master the follow and remember me modes to significantly improve your pattern recall abilities. This engaging STEM toy grows with your child, offering challenges that adapt to their developing skills. After each game, activate the dazzling light show for a fun visual display. It's perfect for family game nights and enjoyable for both kids and adults, regardless of their skill level. This 2.75-inch cube is built for durability, similar to a Rubik's Cube. It's a fantastic gift for any boy or girl who loves interactive light-up toys and engaging sensory challenges. What we like. If you're seeking a fun, engaging way to boost your child's cognitive skills, this electronic cube is an excellent option. It challenges memory, reaction time, and pattern recognition through various light-based games. If you want a compact, durable toy that grows with your child's skill level and is great for family play, you should consider this. What people say. It's also great for the car if you are headed on a trip. Helps with boredom and well as improve hand-eye coordination. The lights are still bright, the buttons respond like new, and the sound hasn't faded or gotten glitchy at all. It's been a great learning toy that kept her entertained when she was younger, and she still picks it up sometimes just because it's fun. Number 1. Skillmatics found its scavenger hunt card game. Transform ordinary spaces into an exciting adventure with this thrilling search and find game. It's a fun way for kids to learn phonics, numbers, and shapes. This engaging game is a winner of the National Parenting Product Awards. It's perfect for getting kids off screens and into active play at home or school. Designed for ages 4 to 7, this interactive game helps build observation and logical reasoning skills. Kids will have a blast while they learn. An adult reads a prompt, and kids race to find a matching object. The first to shout "found it" wins the card. Collect 7 cards to win the game. Kids stay active as they explore, move, and search for objects. This makes learning hands-on and full of energy. Easy to learn with simple instructions, this game makes a wonderful gift. Watch your little ones become scavenger hunt champions. What we like. If you're looking for a game that gets kids moving and thinking, this scavenger hunt is ideal. It turns everyday spaces into an adventure, encouraging observation, logical reasoning, and active learning. If you want an award-winning, screen-free game that teaches phonics, numbers, and shapes, you should consider this. What people say. Enjoyable game that allows me to spend quality time with my kid niece-nephews. It encourages focus on finding the item, and then celebration when they do, and then the extra questions on the bottom encourages conversation. Great indoor or out game. Questions teaching as playing and can be adapted from age 4 upwards. Great way to learn shapes looking for item same shape. Visual and fun. This game is filled with vibrant cards and fun prompts to keep your child occupied and utilize their energy. Especially in the time of COVID where we all have to stay home, this game has been a fun way to ensure my nephew's movement and learning, all in a fun way, and indoors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.